Alright, here we go in the shop, and there's my air conditioning unit. I call that big fan. Drill press. Belt sander. Plans. Projects. Cabinets. Workbench. Go back over this way. Here's the dual bandsaw machines and more projects. Here's the folding portable workbench. Here's the dual use workbench, and yeah, you can see why it's called dual use now. Planer. There's a little 4-inch joiner over there. 6-inch joiner underneath of there. Lots of junk. Harbor Freight compound miter saw on my portable folding up miter saw stand. You know, can't buy this at Harbor Freight anymore. They discontinued with it. It's the Chicago Electric 12-inch. This was the last one out of the local store. It was also the first one. It was the demo. And yeah, there's my junk bin. There's my portable 40-inch lathe. Oh, the wall's gone. Somebody stole my wall. Now I'm pushing this. I'm getting rid of this stuff out here, so I can build on a section. And here's some laminated rockers I'm putting together, and the plastic's all falling apart. You have to overlook that. And here's the folding table saw, my homemade T-square fence, and this thing all folds up, and got a dado stack in it right now. Lots of jigs over there, junk shelf, and well, lots of sawdust everywhere. So, well, there you go. There's my shop.